We're on our way up to see Petrified logs, which is, I believe, wooden logs that have become stone over time. There's the Seven Sisters, just along the route, heading up to our main hike that we're going to do today. Just past the visitor center on the right side, you can take the trail right to Balancing Rock. We have wildlife sighting. That's so exciting.
No.
Oh gosh, go slow. Guys, thanks for welcoming us to the park. Where are you, little guy? There you are. Just a baby. Oh, there's another one right here. Go slow. Hey, Mama. We're on a little hike called Mouse Take Trail. It's to take us to some Petrified. Okay, we're on what we believe is the Fireway Trail. It's not very well marked. There's a lot of confusion in the parking lot. But here we go. This is the hike we've been looking forward to. It is the heat is quite intense. It's February, but it's quite warm out and the sun's out. Ribbons in the rock. Okay, wow. I highly recommend this hike. It's considered an easy one on all trails, but make sure you carry lots of water, because even the end of February, it's hot. Wow, it was fun. I'm so glad we came to visit. Our last stop of the day, we came in the east entrance of Valley of Fire, and we are leaving the west entrance, so now we're at the Beehives. Quite impressive. We're definitely highly recommend Valley of Fire, so pull yourself away from the slot machines and take a morning or an afternoon to come out to the Valley of Fire.